What to look for in a GPS trailer tracking device? GPS trailer tracking provides your trailer fleet with real-time location data. You can use this data to connect with drivers on the road and provide clients with status updates. Reporting capabilities. The magic ingredient of GPS trailer tracking is reporting and analytics. Geofencing. Users can set up a geofence to receive fast alerts when a trailer enters or exits a defined region, reducing unwanted use and theft. Alerts. You may wish to know when a trailer is moving when it should not be. A competent GPS trailer tracking system will provide both on-road and off-road notifications. Maintenance capability. The correct trailer tracking system will record utilization and mileage, as well as assist in keeping maintenance logs up to date, and trailer completely optimized for its purpose. If you want to know more about SafeTruck, check out our social media or consult with our SafeTruck fleet consultant. See you on the next video.